Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Priya, and today I'm going to make two tags using cereal boxes. So these are cardboards which I have recycled from cereal boxes. So I'm just cutting them into the shape of tags before I start working on them. So now I have two cereal boxes covers in the shape of tags. Then I have got this vintage wallpaper. I have a roll of it, and I am planning to use this wallpaper as the background of my tags. So just using regular PVA glue. I always use PVA glue. It is quite strong. So I'm sticking these tags, these cereal box cardboard um, on this wallpaper, and once that is done I will just stick it nicely so that it doesn't come off. And once that is done I am just going to cut it off, the excess wallpaper. So now two of these tags are ready. They have wallpaper background, and on the other side, on the back side of these tags, I'm going to use a tea dyed paper. So I'm also going to stick this tea dyed paper using the same PVA glue. And once it is stuck nicely, I will cut off the excess of this paper. These tags look ready now. I am pleased with how this wallpaper background looks. And now for embellishments, I have these pretty embellishments from a paper pad. I will put the link to the paper pad in the description box below. And underneath these embellishments, I wanted to give them some matte so that to highlight these embellishments. So for the green one, I am using this pink cardstock, and for this pink one I'm going to use green cardstock, and I'm cutting them just using my eyes. I'm not really measuring them, and once they are cut I am distressing them using my scissors. I don't have a distressing tool. If you have, please go ahead. So I'm just using my scissors to slightly distress these edges to give them a nice shabby chic look. I also decided to use some green handmade paper. This is highly textured, and I thought it will give a nice texture to my tags. Also the color is quite uh, coordinating with the overall look of the tag. So I just cut them randomly, just tore them up, and I decided to place them between my embellishment and the mat. So now I want to start working on the assembly of these tags. For that I'm going to use double-sided tape. I'm going to use this foam tape because this foam tape will give a nice three-dimensional look to my tags. this looks good so far. So at this stage I decided to use some fussy cut flowers from a scrapbook paper. So these fussy cut flowers will look pretty in this corner, and I decided to use some linen thread underneath these fussy cut flowers just to give some extra texture and depth to the tags. So far happy with the results. I think I will stop now. These tags look complete. I don't want to overdo them. So now, just to give them the final look, I'm punching holes on top of them, and then I have this pretty green organza ribbon, and I'm wrapping this ribbon a number of times because I want to give a nice thick ruffle on the top of these tags. I want a nice thick tie on the top. So that is it. I'm just tying this ribbon on top of the tags, and my tags look quite pretty. At least I think so. They look good. I'm happy with the result. So guys, this is the video. This is the tutorial for these super easy tags, and it just took me 15-20 minutes to finish this tag. So please let me know how you find this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know through the comments, and I will see you soon. Bye.